Hello everyone, let's do the crafting. Fold the paper along diagonally into half and make it stringy and stick it at the center. At the bottom, make a triangle by folding the square and cutting it, then attach a beautiful face in a fish form. Draw a side view of a cartoon dog on a paper by folding it and cut it, then unfold it, then attach cartoon eyes and a mouth and draw its snout and attach cartoon ears and lovely toes. Then have a collar bell and make it together. On a circle paper, divide it into two and draw a beautiful ferocious shark. Outline it and color it with navy blue and leaving the fin aside and fold it and have a tail. Fold an orange circle paper into half and stick it and fold a pair of circles in a smaller shape by the side and the top and attach cartoon eyes and extend legs and the eyes and smile. Fold the paper into half and on each side, fold it again. Then on the tips, make the triangle by folding it inwards and make it come inside. Do the same on the other side as well. Flip it over and fold the triangle a bit and make it to the center. Then again flip it, then fold the sides and bend the longer triangle and unfold it. Then on the side, bend the triangle from right to left. Unfold it again and make it stuffed inside and make the triangle go into it. Then have the long triangles as the ears, bunnies. Fold the little circle paper into half and attach another one at the tip. Continue making it and at the end attach a little circle and two antennas and two cartoon eyes. Grab some colorful dried leaves and attach it to your paper and side by side. Then extend lines from it and attach a pebble and draw some beautiful house on it. Paint it. Draw a 7 on the leaf and cut it out. Then attach a big leaf as a body and 4 legs out of leaf and a leaf for a stone. Then draw cartoon eyes and a mouth and the dorsal plates and polka dots and sun. Prehistoric dinosaur. Cut a red leaf into half and paste it, and also paste another red leaf by the side and also a yellow leaf on the top. Then paint the bottom with white and the top with pink. Then draw a little nose and 2 small eyes, cunning fox, and the 2 ears and a little branch and a little bird. Make it sing. Thank you guys for watching this video.